Hey, this is Zach with Kratos Concepts. I was just going to show you guys a horrible repair that was done to this fender here. There is a very large portion of Bondo that was used to reshape this thing and get it looking the way that it looks currently. This door was actually crushed in, the fender was crushed in. Not long afterwards, before I even saw the repair, the car was horribly painted, which is why this door has been reprepped. And probably can't pick it up in the video, but it's why this paint looks like shit too. So I am going to be chipping away at it with a hammer and a chisel. So let's take a look and see what exactly is under this bad boy. A big chunk. Whoa. Can't really tell because of the camera angle, but up in here it's basically nothing but Bondo too. But for the most part, this entire corner was made out of Bondo. In some places it was even about ½ inch thick, according to some of the chunks in this pile. Pile's pretty bad.